Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by logging into 4.0 and obtaining your API key so requests can authenticate immediately. Once done, set your canvas size and aspect ratio. This determines composition and output weight. Make sure you gather 1 or 2 reference images and draft a short prompt containing subject, style, color palette, and mood. These guide generation. You're ready to call the generator or open the web editor. Begin with a conservative seed and low sampling steps to iterate quickly. You now craft a focused prompt that pairs the subject with a style and lighting note, for example, portrait, cinematic rim light, 85mm lens. Then tweak parameters, raise sampling steps and CFG scale to increase fidelity or lower denoising for subtler edits. Change seed to vary composition. Once you preview a low-resolution draft, refine keywords and replace or crop references. Iterate until the composition reads right. After stable results, increase resolution and sampling. You finish by upscaling and exporting the chosen image in the format you need, and archive earlier versions for rollback. Once satisfied, create a small batch of variants by altering the seed or a single descriptor to explore alternatives efficiently. If you encounter artifacts or odd composition, reduce denoising strength and increase sampling steps, or realign your reference images and simplify the prompt. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems and lets you converge on a clean, usable result quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.